Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. In this video, we will discuss about the extrusion. So let's get into this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and also subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge and leave your valuable comment. So thank you for watching. Extrusion. Extrusion is derived into four types: direct extrusion, indirect extrusion, hydrostatic extrusion and impact extrusion. These are the diagrams showing various types of extrusions. Extrusion of steels became possible only after 1930, when extrusion chambers could be designed to withstand high temperature and pressure. The material is compressed in a chamber and the deformed material is forced to flow through the die. The die opening corresponds to the cross-section of the required product. It is basically a hot working process. However, for softer materials, cold extrusion is also performed. In direct extrusion, metal flows into the same direction as that of the ram. Because of the relative motion between the heated billet and the chamber walls, friction is severe and is reduced by using molten glass as a lubricant in case of steels at high temperatures. At lower temperatures, oils with graphite powder is used as lubrication. In indirect extrusion process, metal flows in opposite direction of the ram. It is more efficient since it reduces friction losses considerably. The process, however, is not used extensively because it restricts the length of the extruded product. Hydrostatic extrusion. In this process, the friction between container wall and the billet is eliminated. However, this process has got limited applications in industry due to specialized equipment and tooling, and low production rate due to high setup time. Impact extrusion. It is similar to indirect extrusion. Here the punch descends rapidly onto the blank, which gets indirectly extruded onto the punch and to give a tubular section. The length of the tube formed is controlled by the amount of metal in the slug or by the blank thickness. Collapsible tubes for pastes are extruded by this method. So this is the short video about the extrusion and its types. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and also subscribe this channel for more videos, and also click the bell icon to get notifications instantly. So thank you for watching.